would like to understand how was your experience coming at the show.
It was a wonderful experience. Unexpected questions और थोड़ा सा creative answers देने का मौका बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. दूसरों को देखती थी, आज खुद देने का मौका मिला तो बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Because I know I have watched a lot of videos earlier and curated my strategy, so I thought that it is like, you know, one of my dream come true to come and just share my strategy with aspirants, and I hope that just like I benefited from a lot of strategies, people would benefit somewhere.
आपका experience कैसा रहा?
It was an amazing experience. It's always wonderful to interact on such important things and issues, and the fact that a lot of students will learn a lot from this really means a lot. So yeah, thank you for this initiative. Really.
How was your experience? How did you feel?
That was great. I've never given an interview like this before. Thank you so much for having me.
Welcome to, I would want you to come on the other side of the lens very soon.